Hey everybody, Frugal Farmer here. Getting a summer rainstorm, Carolina. If you remember all that tree I had, I'm slowly whittling away with it. I'm having to put a tow strap on over there. That's where the big pile is, and pull that stuff out. A lot of it I can't lift. It's just my old back break, and my old back's out of warranty and got too many miles on it. But my cousin, I'm still using his tractor with the front end loader on it. He was gracious enough to just tell me to keep it. So what I do, I got it at my house, and he's got a farm right next to my place, and I'm just keeping it up here, and when he needs it over there, I shoot it back over there. I always top it off. I'm a polite borrower. If I break it, I fix it. You can hear that thunder coming in. I was on the tractor till just a minute or so ago, and it's hot. Good night, it's hot. And working around that fire too, what I do is I take and drop the, pull them over with the tractor, and then unhook my tow strap, and then I just take and flip it over on the fire. That fire's been going for like 3 days, and in the morning time I'll take and push it together, get everything burning, and I'll take and pull some more stuff out and drop that on there. And making headway. I'm gonna tell you what, and I've still got just as much in the front yard on one tree, but I'm not really worried about that because this was right here where I could see it, and it was depressing as heck just to walk out here and see all this stuff. But I've got my main road back. I've got to kind of go over it and rake it down, and but I've probably got a week left of burning. I get everything started good, and then I'll just kind of do my stuff outside and keep eye on the fire. But sounds like I'm out of breath. I am. That tractor, even though the tractor's doing the majority of the work, I'm having to jump off and hook up the limbs and pull out and jump off and unhook. And I'm old, folks. I appreciate you stopping by and spending a little bit of time with me. Share, comment, like, hit that subscribe button. God bless you.